In the last video, we showed you how you can make your system faster by increasing the number of processors you have on your system. It is a software technique and not a hardware technique. In today's video, we'll also show you how you can make your system faster by removing some temporary files that are saved by Windows. A lot of people will know this. First thing, you go to Control Windows app and you make your app. You type your app data. You type the word app data, then you click OK. Then in your app data, you will able to see some temp files. Sorry, let me take you again. Please app data and show you put this percentage signs app data. It takes you to this rooming. Then in roaming, if you've not done that, in roaming you see 10 files. Then you can remove, you can delete the files in the 10 folder. This is your app data. You can come to your local and in the place you see 10 files, which is this 10 temporary files, you can do well to delete them. It will not affect your operating system. It will not affect your operating system. Please, in app data, the local, you go to 10, you delete it. Look at it again, because I'm doing this so that you won't have error. This is for Windows. You go to your 10 and go to your local, then you look for 10 your temporary files. You click on it, it opens, then you can delete. This is one way. Please, there is no 10 data, 10 folder in roaming. What about, let's see, local? Is there 10 in local? Okay, there is 10 in local, but you see, it doesn't have a local, no, it doesn't have much file. So this is the folder you are consigned with, local. You click on it, you go to your 10 folder and you delete the files. This is one way. The second way is also possible. You go through your Windows app, then the keyword you should type is prefetch. You see this? Prefetch. Now the prefetch, it consists of files that is used by the operating system. That's why you can see it is asking for permission. Ask for permission. Now these files are temporary files used by the operating system. But deleting these files will not harm your operating system. As you can see, most of the files here, they are files that you cannot even see. pf.pf.pf, they are prefetch or temporary files. You delete them, then deleting it will make your system faster. If you delete files from this, it will not affect your operating system. Your operating system will still boot very well. If you delete files from the temp folder, it will not affect your operating system. It will still boot very well. So these are the two folders that the operating system stores temporary files that can be deleted. Please do not delete files that are not in these folders. The two folders I called is the 10 folder in local under app data and the prefetch folder in Windows. Please do not delete other files in any other folder so that your system will not have issues. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please comment and tell us if this trick really really helped you. You can do well by sharing the video. Follow us. Kindly subscribe for next day. Next video, I'll give you secrets on how you can increase the connection power of your Wi-Fi. How you can increase the connection power. Thank you very much and do have a nice day. Bye.